There are some potential sacrifices you may need to make in order to strengthen your relationship. And these are some of the sacrifices you have to make. Edru maybe na enema bi wo ho a esese wo de bo afode. Ansa na ama wawade ana relationship na timi ayeye. Aha aye marriage ministry global. We are empowering people to attain good relationship and marriage. Inti bomodi ansa wo hwe bia wie na wo hye ama unu anso anya bia hwe. Ma memfa wo fam. Ina niema ba ko mienu amebebo so ba ko personal sacrifices. Now, under the personal sacrifices, a friend, ego and pride. Be willing to apologize, forgive, and compromise, even when you feel you are right. Edru maybe senia u feel big, senia would tear, as I say, or swallow that kind of pride. Now, se bribi ni empo we are right. Anka wudi bim ne ekoso na mpa antwaye nanso opese wawade ana relationship ye no utimi epachew ema relationship no ekoso tote empo emra wudi bim ena ade e friend independent. Balance your need for alone time with your partner's need for quality time together. Drew maybe anka wo privacy wo independent. So ultimately you be bia niama wo pesa wo ye, but for the sake of our relationship on your wadi and to do maybe a balance time no so de be ya o partner no so ne needs in so kakra wo betimi a factor na motimi a move on together. Are there friend hobbies and interest? Be willing to try new things and compromise on activities you enjoy together. Maybe I may manage football, but no so per movies share. Anije no enifa ko edru maybe a esese adjust ye ho na adapt to new things and come in sports me ball hwede and so for the sake of my relationship with him I mean be for this time and come there many new movies. I don't do movies, but for the sake of my marriage sebe ye betimi agina na me partner no so ye nyina benya energy ntino you sacrifice your hobby na wahwe wono so de ani bi na aboa na munyina mo ayede. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't spoil anything. It makes your relationship work and move on. Sleep and personal time. Make time for your partner, even if it means sacrificing some sleep or personal time. Edru maybe grandpa and come, oh, mra what did that? Maybe about 6:30 amada. But for the sake of our partner, Edru maybe at me make a sacrifice. Na ultimately extend the time no cry to a certain time when you na bebo mama money agenda more adjustable. Say who say relationship and now be a wadi a and yes we share the right partner. There be when share the right partner. Name or make a lot of sacrifices. And ye may be oha ojeji muma ne koi. And ye may be oho no more nanka or so and kabeye kesiye nanso so wan so ojutwa so ejama asane etie na aka na odibim de nanso so wantwea say chinchina me dibim na de metwe nemom for the sake of the relationship and the marriage to work ojemu ma ne koi na eba ne sa no nkyere se wo jimi fo nemom busa se hene fa ne ye kro ba bia ya sha ase ne de ko wie hene na so obia ye Mr. Right obia ye Mrs. Right, how can we move together? Ade ba kon so any emotional sacrifices, that is emotional comfort. Be willing to have uncomfortable conversations and confront difficult emotions. It may be at some nkomo awudi die nkomo die nkemfa nyede na sema wo kan ni nkomo nyede na nso so o betra se din na watie sa nkomo no sa wo be ye ne den sane be ya nema bi wo ho no mo a obetimi amemene na aboa ma relationship no ayeye eduru mre bi nso a difficult emotions as I say ultimately confront na ultimately my relationship no work. Another one fear of vulnerability, that is open yourself up for your partner even if it makes you feel vulnerable. Do maybe and maybe why any fine say why any now catch the no empu be how there nanso so you have to do that na ultimately my relationship no work. And another one, past resentment. Work through past resentments and forgive your partner for past hurts. Why yo bribi mira twam. Ade oye wona yapa. nanso so saa ɛyaw no a ɛda so hyɛw mu no sɛ wantimi anya mfiri hɔ a mo nante ɛbɛyɛ dene ampa hu nanim ano akai de ɔyɛ wo na ɛgya but ɛtwa mu no ɛsɛ sɛ wotimi try na woyi free hɔ na motimi ɛtena somdue mu na ma relationship no ɛyɛ yie bibia ni hɔ no mo a ɛbɛtimi ayɛ successful without sacrifice. Sometimes you have to sacrifice some things for things to work. Enti ne na nanom sɛ bibi ansɛe a bibi nyɛ yie. Eniyama bi wɔ hɔ no mo a when you get into a relationship or you go into marriage, there are a lot of things you have to sacrifice. Adurumre bi impo aduane a wudie bi wɔ aduane bi wɔ hɔ no mo a enka okra no enye aduane a wo kon do. But for the sake of the relationship and marriage, o try na osua di na mo move on. Eniyama bi wɔ hɔ no ma kanyɛ saa na wo yɛ wo niyama but nipa na wɔbɛka wo ho no saa na ɔno so yɛ ne niyama for the sake of the relationship nkakra wo bɛ swallow na wa accept ne nkakra saa na watimi asesa na free ho untimi change no right away because ɔno free ne fie ba no saa na ɔyɛ ne niyama na so yɛ wo de esi 2% change no right away a ɛmfa enti ɛsɛ sɛ wo endure na nkakra wotimi asesa no free ho so obi wɔ hɔ no ma sɛ ne ɔyɛ ne niyama sɛ de osi kasa fa kasa no ka wompe but you take your time na why nkakra kopem so betimi atenetere no it takes a lot of sacrifices for a relationship to work and it say wontimi nyɛ saa de ne da bia wo de wo yɛ right and am yɛ right do yɛ ne de ne kwam yɛ right and I have to fight for my right relationship obi ani ho abekuma be yie obi ani ho ane de ho dwo da ɛyɛ dane a wantwi ho ya to yɛ de bi gu ne afo obi de timita aka sɛ woni afu kɛse a wodi nsɛm hunu begum wɔ relationship ne awade mu dia then don't go there because asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a nema bi wɔ hɔ a ya na abote ya na asefem ya na ahyi na nkwala no kora sa bɛka ho de ne na yɛ west itimi yɛ ade bi wo hwɛ sɛ ya na wanso akoma mu a wan hwɛ ade obɛyɛ na de how bɛba but you have to swallow it. That makes you a matured person. You know how to control your temper. You know how to control your emotions. Now bibi ho a wayi wani te sɛ aboa nantwie no atwi nani ɛnyɛ sɛ bi oni ahode na nko de bɛyi oba oyi nani no akɔ na baabi. It makes relationships work because mo build bibi enti sɛ ekoduru baabi ne yɛgye ho akyinyi a yɛgye akosi sɛ. So these are the things I'm giving to you. But remember, every relationship is unique and the sacrifices you make will depend on your individual circumstances. Communicate openly with your partner and work together to find a balance that strengthens your relationship. I am Marriage Ministry Global. Mediana Reverend Kebunsu. Shebi share na unia so nya bi nhwe. E mane nka ho nko phone so. Ye mo aye ho. Na ye bo na relationship ne awade ye yi a e mo free mu ba nso so benyini eye mpanimpa ma society so enya omo so mfa so. Nti bo modern ase wa hwa bia wie no wo be share na obi nso so ahwe bie.